Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Bijouteo Beading, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you really easy and step by step how to make these Native American style long fringe earrings with brick stitch. If you're new here, consider subscribing with the bell. Also, if you like sharing, comment, you motivate me to make more tutorials for you. You could check the membership option that comes with additional video courses and digital patterns. I'm using 4 colors of 11/0 seed beads. You could use 10/0, dark blue, turquoise, light pink, purple. Earring findings, nylon thread 0.3 mm of thickness, size 11, beading needle, scissors. Okay guys, and I'm starting my work by picking up 4 of those beautiful dark blue beads. I'm sliding those down, leaving here a small tail that later I will use to secure my work, and I go through these 2 blue beads. Now I have this, and I will go through these 2 in that direction, taking another 2, going backwards in circle through the previous 2, and again through the newly added ones, showing you one more time. And I'll let you do this by yourself until you have 9 of those beautiful columns. Now guys, I'm going to start the so-called brick stitch. If you're not familiar, don't worry, I'm showing it in easy steps. So I start with a dark blue and a turquoise. And here I have thread bridges between my beads. Maybe you don't see them very well on camera because they are dark, but they are here between the beads. So I'm counting, I have 1 and second, and I want to go under the second thread bridge that I have here. And I'm going to pull. Okay. Then I want to go through the bead which is closer to the center, the turquoise one. And what I want to do next is to reinforce. So go through the dark blue and go through the turquoise. Why I'm doing this? Well, because my beads don't stay nice and tight next to each other. And that's why I want to do this reinforcement and make them stay even and arranged. As they go under the second thread bridge, they stretch, and that is why I need to do this reinforcement. And now I need a purple bead. And I'm going back through it. Now I will be adding the beads one by one, using the next thread bridges that are on my way. Now I need a pink, next thread bridge and backwards, another pink, next thread bridge and backwards, purple, the same thing, turquoise, and dark blue. Dark blue and turquoise, and again guys, I go under the second thread bridge between this turquoise and this purple. Now the thread bridges are more visible because the beads are lighter. And why I will go under the second thread bridge and not under the first? Because I decrease what it means It means that the beads that I have in the next row are less than in the previous row. And as I said here, I need reinforcement. I need a purple one. And then pink, purple, turquoise, blue. Blue and turquoise, and I go again under the second thread bridge through the turquoise and reinforce. Then 2 purple, turquoise, blue. Then again blue and turquoise and reinforce. Okay guys, and I'm going to pick up again blue and turquoise. Again the same thing, second thread bridge reinforcement. And then turquoise and blue. At this step guys, I'm going to add first 2 blue beads and go under the second thread bridge. I have only 3 thread bridges here, but I'm using the central one, which is the second between the 2 turquoise beads, and then I'm reinforcing. And I take 1 more blue bead. In my next step I need 1 blue earring finding and 1 blue, and I'm going here in this direction. Then what I want to do is to reinforce, in fact. And how I'm going to do this? I will go through some beads in this direction. And I reinforced, and now I'm exiting here. Now what I want to do in my next step is put a needle on this end and make a knot and cut it. And off camera, guys, I put a needle on this short end. And what I want to do, let me turn to be easier for me, is to just skip this bead that I'm exiting out of and go through some beads in this direction. This is not a problem because my thread is really close color to the beads that I'm using. They are so dark, and that is why I'm going to do this way. And what I do is that I make a loop, go twice through it, pull, then go through some beads, and cut this tail thread as close as possible to your work. And I'm going to continue my work. I'm here at the fringe part. I will add a long sequence of beads, guys, and I'll be back to tell you what it is and how we continue. Okay, friends, and this is the long sequence that I need. 1 dark, 6 pink, 6 dark, 1 pink, 6 turquoise, 2 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, 6 purple, 1 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, 6 pink, and 3 dark beads. And then in my next step, I will go back through all of them. I will skip the last 3 though. Why I'm skipping them, now you will see. You see this triangle that forms when I skip them. I want to go back through all of those beads. And here at this point. And in my next step, I'm going through the neighbor 2 blue beads. Okay. I'm ready to pick up the next long sequence and I'll be back. Okay, guys, and the next sequence is almost the same as the previous one, just I start with 3 blue beads instead of 1, 3 dark blue beads. So it's 3 dark, 6 pink, 6 dark, 1 pink, 6 turquoise, 2 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, 6 purple, 1 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, and 6 pink beads. Okay, now what I want to do is to skip those 3 and go back in circle. And I'm going through all of those. And I'm exiting of these top 2 blue beads. You see here at these 2. And then in my next step, I want to go in the neighbor 2. And I'm going to pick up here the next long sequence, guys, and I'll be back. And here, guys, comes the next sequence. 3 turquoise, 2 dark, 6 pink, 6 dark, 1 pink, 6 turquoise, 2 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, 6 purple, 1 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, 6 pink, and 3 black beads. And I'm doing absolutely the same thing, guys, skipping these dark blue beads. And I will go back through all of this fringe. I'm not showing it again because it could be boring for you to show it all the time. So I'm going back and I will exit out of these 2 beads and I will pick up the next sequence and I'll be back. Okay guys, and what I take at this fringe are 2 purple, 2 turquoise, 2 dark, 6 pink, 6 dark, 1 pink, 6 turquoise, 2 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, 6 purple, 1 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, and 6 pink, and 3 dark beads. Okay, and it is absolutely the same thing. I'm not gonna be showing the whole process, just the beginning. Go through these 2 and continue until the end. Go through these 2 and backwards through these 2, and I'll be back for the central fringe. And here, my friends, is my central fringe. It consists of purple, 2 turquoise, 2 dark, 6 pink, 6 dark, 1 pink, 6 turquoise, 2 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, 6 purple, 1 dark, 1 pink, 1 dark, 6 pink, and 3 dark beads. Okay, I'll go back and I'll exit of the next one and I'll tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and from now on I will be adding the same fringes that I have from this side, but I will mirror them. What does it mean? First I will add this sequence. I'll add it here, then this, and this, I'll add them here, here, and here. So what you can do is just take a look at those and create them from this side, or you could rewind this video and see how I'm showing them in reverse order. Okay, I'll do this earring until the end and I'll meet you. Okay guys, and I'm here at this step where I just added my last fringe and I went back through some beads. And I'll do absolutely the same thing, guys. I will make a knot and cut this thread. I forgot to tell you that at one point I had to add more thread. And how I did it, I just made like this a loop, went twice through the loop, pulled, and in the next step you could go through some beads if you want, and after that cut your thread. This is the way you cut your old short thread, and the new thread you add it the same way. Go through some beads, make a loop and a knot, and continue with the new one. Okay guys, and now my Native American style fringe seed beads earrings with brick stitch are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more content like this from me, subscribe with the bell if you still haven't. You could also like, share and comment. That motivates me to make more tutorials for you. And if you want, you could become a member, which comes with perks and additional video courses, and also free digital patterns for members. You could check description and the join button. Thank you so much for watching. Now click on the video that you see on your screens and continue watching.